Hey guys, I just wanted to pop in because I wanted to talk about building a team or not building a team when you're in BG Wealth Sharing. Again, it's not a requirement. You can make money with BG with a one-time investment of 550 and or more, and you will still make money by copying and pasting twice a day. Okay. But I just wanted to show the difference. One, you want to build a team in my eyes because you want to help change people's income, people's lifestyle, and their legacy. That's the main reason why I do it, because this is so exciting, one, to see this type of income that you didn't even have to learn a skill for. Okay. But to be able to do this and share it with people, that's a whole nother thing, right? So let's talk about that. Let me show you what that looked like on the calculator. So the first thing you'll do is go to thecalculatorsite.com, as you see here on my screen. Okay, you're gonna click that. You're gonna click compound interest calculator here where you see the arrow. And what I want to show you is what it looked like to build a team or to not build a team if you started with $1,000. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is click daily compound. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is type in $1,000. Okay, we're going to say we came in with 1,000. If you did not build a team, the interest you accrue every day is a 1.25. Okay. Let's see what that looked like in 1 year. Okay. So today's April 24, 2026. We're going to see what putting in $1,000 one-time investment with BG Wealth Sharing look like. Okay. So we're going to click the calculate button. Okay. So on a monthly basis, you see here what it looks like. At the end of April, you're at 1,077. May 1,583, June 2,298, and so on and so on. What's happening here when you do that, when you're doubling every 60 days when you come into BG with a one-time investment and you never tell a soul about it. And I think that's still amazing. That's amazing, right? What job or what business can you invest money and your money doubles every 60 days? I don't know. Okay. So that's what this looked like. And in a year, you can have $93,150. Okay. If you decide to go that route. But me, I like to share. I like to tell everybody if it's working for me, I want to tell everybody to help them change their circumstance. Okay. When you create a team, and this should be your bare minimum, right? When you create a team, the goal that I tell my team to do is add 5 people underneath you and then help them add 5 people. Now, that could look like your kids, your husband, your wife, your cousin, whoever. You know, everybody needs some type of assistance, and the minimum to come in with is $550. When I say kids, that also mean kids that are under the age of 18. Now, their guardian or the parent has to be the one in charge of their account. Okay. So that is a huge deal to know that. So just again, you bring in 5 people, they bring in 5 of their people. If you do that, this is what will happen to the money. So let's put it here in the calculator. Say you had $1,000 that you came in with, and you end up building a team, say from day one. Just for an example, what that will do is change your interest rate from 1.25 to 1.85. Okay, let's keep it going in a year, and say we're gonna leave the date as the same because we want to just see the difference between the two. Now, again, with the 1.25 interest rate where you don't build a team, I think it was 93,000 that you went to in a year. Okay, we're going to calculate what it looked like to do $1,000 with a team of 5 and they receive their 5 people in 1 year. Let's see what that looked like. So we're going to click the calculate button. Let's see the difference. Look at that. So again, this is monthly. At the end of April, you're looking at $1,116. Okay. Now we're on April the 24th and your money grow like this to April 30th. Okay. Look at what it do for May 1970. For June, 3,414. July, $6,028. Now, in a year, remember I said with not building a team, I think it was 93,000 that you went to. But if you build that team of bringing in five and helping them get their five, look at the difference. In a year, you're at $804,965. And a lot of people see this and they're like, this is crazy. That is too good to be true. There's no way. Guys, what you got to understand is all this is you're trading. There's an expert who created an AI to come up with the choices of what trades to do. He sends you his choices based on the AI's information, and you copy the code of that choice and you paste it in a trading platform. That's all this is. It is trading. Actual trading is this. You don't have to learn anything about AI. You don't have to learn anything about trading. You're just taking the experts and you're choosing to listen to what they say of their choice of what trades to do, and you're putting it into the trading platform and you're copying that information, pasting it, confirm. That is, sorry about that. There we go. Okay. And guys, what I want to say is that it's a 99.6 accuracy rate. And people hear that and they're like, there's no way you can trade and get 99.6, but you can. You can, because of he's only risking 1% of whatever is in your account. He's pulling everybody who invested into this company and putting it in one pot and taking 1% of whatever that is. You get 60% and the company gets 40%. It's a win-win for everyone. And that's why this works so well. One, you're risking very little. When you think about other traders, they are called retail traders. This is not retail trading. We trade 7 days a week and we're risking very little money. So that is the difference, right? So to me, I'm telling the world, I'm telling everybody, just like I'm helping you guys and creating these videos. It's not about me making money. It's okay, it is, but it's not. It's me wanting to help everyone. So that's what my sister and I are doing. We're creating these videos because we want to help people get through this. We want to help people learn to understand. You got to understand everything is a risk. That's just what it is. But you come in what with you're comfortable with, and you invest that one-time investment and see what happens. Change your family, change your lives, right? So again, I just want to get on here so you can see the difference of not building a team versus building a team, and the difference. The difference is not building a team, you double your money every 60 days. Building a team of five and they get five, you double your money every 38 days. So I hope that helped. If you have any questions or you want to comment, you can reach out to us and text us at 470-608-2470, or you can email us at aitradersisters@gmail.com. Have a great rest of your day.